Did you know that a single YouTube Kids channel can make anywhere between $4,000 to a jaw-dropping $65,000 every month just from ads? Sounds unbelievable, right? Look at this channel. This YouTube Kids channel earns between $4,000 to an impressive $65,000 every month just from ads. And guess what? Well, in today's video, I'll show you exactly how you can create amazing animation videos using AI. No design skills needed. So let's dive in. The first step is all about creating a compelling storyline. The best part, you don't have to be a professional writer to come up with a fantastic story. ChatGPT does the heavy lifting for you, making your creative process smoother than ever. Simply provide some prompts. In this video, we will make a story about a zoo and animals. It sounds childish, and that's what we're aiming for. And wow, watch as ChatGPT generates unique and engaging narratives that serve as the foundation for our animation video. Now that you have your story, it's time to add voiceover to your animation. Say hello to 11 Labs, an incredible tool that can generate lifelike voices. With 11 Labs, you can start a free trial with 10,000 characters per month, or subscribe to one of these plans. Simply input the mood and style you're aiming for, like stability and clarity. Then, paste your text here. And 11 Labs will create a voiceover that complements your story beautifully. Once upon a time, in a bright and magical land, lived a curious and adventurous young girl named Zara. She adored animals more than anything in the world and shared a deep, special bond with them that was truly remarkable. Awesome. Let's do the next step. Now comes the exciting part. Bringing your story to life through animation. And what better tool to use than Adobe Express, a user-friendly animation software that harnesses the power of AI. And don't worry, guys, Adobe Express is totally free. You can pick a character and add a background. With this AI tool, your animation will look professional, captivating your audience's attention. Let's pick the voiceover that we downloaded from 11 Labs. And this is the result. Once upon a time, in a bright and magical land, lived a curious and adventurous young girl named Zara. She adored animals more than anything in the world and shared a deep, special bond with them that was truly remarkable. Finally, it's time to add the finishing touches to your masterpiece. Canva will help you enhance your animation's overall visual appeal. With Canva, you can put stunning graphics that complement your story's tone and mood. Whether it's animated or static, Canva has you covered, huh? What a nice rhyme. Then, with CapCut, which is free editing software, you can fine-tune your animation, adjust colors, put all the clips together, add sound effects. Oh yeah, you want to copyright-free sound effects? I've got you covered with Pixabay. Pixabay provides over 4 million royalty-free images, videos, and sound effects. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide on how to earn money by creating animation videos. Using AI-powered tools, with the help of ChatGPT for story generation, 11 Labs for voiceover, Adobe Express for animation, Canva for graphics, CapCut for editing, you have all the ingredients to create captivating content that can bring in attention and passive income. So what are you waiting for? Smash the like button and subscribe to Steps Media for more money-making tutorials. Now unleash your creativity with the power of AI and start making money. See you in the next video.